What's good, everybody? Warren Shaw here, back with another review, and this time we're checking out the 2024 Jerk Festival in Miramar, Florida. The festival is a celebration of Jamaican culture, and it was a blast. Our first stop is the VIP section, where folks were entitled to some amazing free drinks if you paid the price to jump into that section. Our next stop is the Publix cooking demo stage, where attendees watch local chefs and celebrities prepare some amazing jerk dishes while sampling some free products. Shout out to Channel 10's Alexis Frazier for winning the celebrity cook-off here. Shout out to Alexis, man. Good stuff. Next, we'll pop over to the vendor section, where vendors were educating attendees about their services and giving out tons of swag. From jewelry to bag to clothing to art, it was a great opportunity to find some unique souvenirs. Here's me spinning a wheel unsuccessfully and getting a second chance with another spin where I actually was able to capture some ginger beer. I love the array of shirts, jewelry, color, and culture in this guy's booth. Definitely one of my favorites on the day for sure. 99 Jams and Hot 105 were also on the scene, giving folks a chance to win tickets to yet another event. Now let's discuss the food, which was one of the main stars of the event. Yes, it was a great jerk festival, but you can find anything you wanted, including some delicious seafood. The lines looked long, but vendors moved quickly, and to my surprise, nobody really ran out of anything. I have to take a moment to acknowledge the garlic butter lobster rolls. Chef's kiss, my friend. Grace debuted their honey jerk seasoning, and we had to cop that before making our way to check out more food. Again, everything was available: oxtail, stewed chicken, conch salad, jerk pork, patties, and more. Look at my guy here on the grill with the jerk pork. He was proud, and he should be. It was good. Check out the golden brown festivals in the fryer as we make our way out of the food section. We'll head to the main stage, where festival goers were entertained by a wide variety of acts and music. Whether you were chilling eating your food or getting up to experience the vibes, the Grace Jerk Festival organizers had something for everybody. Check out these young kids, followed by dancehall artist Sugar and selector Richie D.
You are in pretense, you're on the wrong. Whoa, whoa, fire burning. One more time, sing it.
Let me tell something now, listen.
It's not that
See it there?
We'll close the recap with the headliners of the festival, Nigy Boy and Elephant Man, two big artists and legends in the dancehall music scene.
When you back move up your shoulder, move your foot them like a roller, because you don't like a creature, then you.
Overall, the vibes were immaculate, and I enjoyed the 2024 Grace Jerk Festival. It was well organized and had a lot to offer if you're a fan of Caribbean culture or otherwise. I highly recommend checking the event out next year. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel over here at 19 Media Group. Thanks so much for watching.